Crypto staking is an exciting way to earn passive income by locking up your coins to support a blockchain network. Think of it as earning interest on your crypto holdings. When you stake, you're not just sitting on your assets. You're actively helping to secure the network, and in return, you earn rewards over time. It's one of the simplest methods to generate income in the crypto space. So, what coins should you consider staking? As of 25, some of the top contenders include Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, and Cosmos. The rewards can vary significantly, typically ranging from 3% to 12% per year, depending on the platform and the specific coin you choose to stake. Now, let's talk about how to get started. There are a few different options available. The first is using centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance. These platforms are incredibly user-friendly and perfect for beginners. They handle everything for you, including auto payouts for your rewards. However, keep in mind that they do charge a small fee or commission for their services. If you're looking for a bit more flexibility, consider liquid staking platforms like Lido Finance for Ethereum or Rocket Pool for Solana. These platforms allow you to earn staking rewards while still keeping access to your funds through staking tokens. This means you can earn rewards without locking your assets away completely. For those who are more advanced, you can stake directly from your wallet using options like a Ledger hardware wallet, Kepler for Cosmos, or Solflare for Solana. This method gives you more control over your assets, but it does require a bit more technical know-how to set up. To maximize your staking income, there are a few tips to keep in mind. Always stake coins that you plan to hold long-term, as this strategy aligns well with the nature of staking. Make sure to use trusted platforms to avoid scams and understand the payout frequency, whether it's daily or weekly, so you know when to expect your rewards. It's also wise to track your rewards over time and avoid chasing after crazy annual percentage yields. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. However, it's important to remember that staking does come with risks. The value of your coins can fluctuate, and staking doesn't protect you from market drops. Additionally, some platforms may lock your funds for a fixed period, so always do your research before committing to any staking option. By understanding these fundamentals, you can confidently dive into the world of crypto staking and start earning passive rewards.